You don't see often such reactions from PR Rajesh, a veteran of more than 200 international hockey caps for India. The last 6 seconds under the bar were more than an anxious lifetime for the Indian custodian. Germany were pressing hard for the equalizer to force a penalty shootout in the match to decide the bronze medal in hockey. Germans were compelled to return empty-handed for Olympics after their 4 successive fruitful games. Celebrations began soon for India. The Indians were on cloud 9 and Srijesh atop the goalpost, literally. India have won an Olympic medal after 41 long years. The men of bronze have emerged after a long series of disappointments since the 1980 Moscow Games, where India have won their 8th and last Olympic Games. The journey to the podium in Tokyo is completed with a 5-4 win over the Germans. In the Sony Sports Studios in Mumbai was present another Indian hockey veteran, Viren Rasakina, analysing the game for the official Olympics broadcaster in the Indian subcontinent. The former India captain was a member of the Indian team that had finished 7th at the 2004 Athens Games. An emotional Rasakina was holding back the tears of joy. Emotions were overpowering the words. That was the impact of the much-awaited Indian victory.
What a place to be in now.
We are witness to history. We have just witnessed the beginning, the start of a golden decade. I've been saying this again and again, Arpit, you are witness to that. We've had these conversations multiple times. This is a special bunch of our boys and girls. A special bunch. Both the teams, they are special. There are bigger things coming. 2 years later, the World Cup, next to the Asian Games, CWG, 3 years later is Paris. I'm telling you, we are not done yet. This is just the beginning. We are in for a big 8 to 10 years of Indian hockey. Get your seat belts tightened because we are not done yet. And the first, people ask me, how do I feel? The first feeling is that of relief. It's relief because when you tell people that these guys are special, they're going to go out there and do it, nobody believes you until they've done it.
Yeah.
The much-needed turnaround has been done. Indian hockey is back in focus for a good reason after decades of disappointment. Eyes will now be on the 2024 Paris Games. India has for long belonged to the top pedestal on the Olympic podium. These visuals from Tokyo and emotions in the Sony Studios in Mumbai will persuade a whole new generation of sportspersons to embrace what has been the symbolic national sport of the country.